Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the poem My Land, as you can see in this picture. So you must have well aware about the term My Land. My Land means Matru Bhumi, Meri Matru Bhumi. And this is a very interesting poem which is written by Thomas Davis, the author of this poem. So let's read this poem. I will read it out for you. She is a rich and rare land. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. She is a dear and rare land, this native land of mine. No man than hers are braver. Her woman's heart never waver. I would freely die to save her and thank my Lord divine. She is not a dull or cold land. No, she is a warm and bold land. Oh, she is a true and old land, this native land of mine. Could beauty ever guard her, and virtue still reward her? No foe would cross her border, no friend within it pine. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. Oh, she is a rare and true land. Yes, she is a rare and fair land, this native land of mine. So, here our poem is finished. So, let us come to the explanation part. So, through these lines, the poet wants to express his feeling about his native land. Native land means the place where one takes birth. So the poet is describing his feelings about his native land, his motherland. What he is saying? He is describing the qualities of his motherland. He is saying she is rich and rare land. In the first stanza, the poet is explaining that his motherland is very wealthy and it is very uncommon to find the land of this type. He is saying it's a fresh and fair land which is very dear to him. It's a dear land. He loves his land very much. And what he is saying, this native land of mine. And in the next stanza, second stanza, the poet is saying, no other man than her are braver. What he is saying, no other man than hers are braver. That he is saying that his motherland is very brave. Her woman's heart never waver. Her woman's heart never waver means it never becomes weak. And I would freely die to save her, and I thank my Lord divine. What the poet is saying, that he would love to die to save her. And what did he think? That he thinks that he shall be lucky if he died to save her. And in the next para, what the poet is explaining, the poet is saying, my motherland is neither dull nor cold. My motherland is neither dull nor cold. She is rather warm and bold. What he is saying? She is warm and bold. She is also a true and old land. What the poet is saying? That it's a true and old land. He is comparing his native land to the true and old land. And in the next para, he is saying that she is very beautiful. He is comparing, he is explaining about the beauty of his motherland. He is saying that she is very beautiful and virtuous, and no enemy, no foe means enemy, foe means enemy, no enemy would dare to cross her border. Nobody would dare not enter or cross her borders. Her loyal people never suffer. But he is saying the people who were very loyal to my motherland would never suffer. It's a unique land. She is a fresh and fair land. She is a really rare and true land. Overall, what the poet is saying, it's a very rare land, which is very uncommon to find it out. So in this poem, the poet is expressing his feeling about his motherland.